Welcome to All Motors brand, your ultimate destination for everything automotive. From vintage classics to the latest innovations, we bring you in-depth reviews, performance insights, and exclusive features from the world of cars, bikes, trucks, and more. Whether you're a hardcore gearhead or a casual car enthusiast, our channel is built to keep you informed, entertained, and inspired. In today's video, we're diving into the latest review of the stunning new 1936 Ford Roadster, a beautifully reimagined classic that blends timeless design with modern performance enhancements. This model pays tribute to the original 1936 icon while introducing thoughtful upgrades that elevate both style and function. The exterior design retains the low-slung body and signature long hood that made the Roadster a standout in its era, but now features high-quality materials, precision detailing, and a flawless finish that gives it a bold, contemporary edge. Under the hood, the new 1936 Ford Roadster has been equipped with a modern V8 engine, delivering both raw power and smooth performance. With an upgraded suspension and brake system, this car doesn't just look the part, it handles curves and straightaways with confidence and ease. Whether you're cruising down the highway or showing it off at a local car event, this Roadster offers an exciting and reliable driving experience. Inside, the cabin has been updated for comfort and usability without losing its vintage charm. The seats are finished in premium leather, and the dashboard, while inspired by the original design, features discreet modern touches like digital gauges and optional infotainment controls. It's a seamless fusion of past and present that makes every ride both nostalgic and enjoyable. Safety has also been given careful attention. While keeping true to its heritage, the new Roadster includes modern safety features such as improved lighting, reinforced frame structure, and optional seat belts, making it a classic you can drive with confidence. The customization options are another strong point. From wool styles and paint finishes to interior materials and trim, the Roadster can be tailored to suit individual preferences. Whether you want a true-to-original look or a completely custom street rod aesthetic, the possibilities are nearly endless. So if you're a fan of vintage cars with a modern twist, the new 1936 Ford Roadster is a must-see. It offers an unmatched combination of classic design, powerful performance, and refined details that make it truly one of a kind. Be sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and most importantly, subscribe to All Motors brand for more in-depth reviews, updates, and automotive content you won't want to miss.